Hello everyone, happy August, and welcome to this month's News for You. I'm your host, Jack Press. Life on this planet is full of difficult challenges. It can be difficult to solve life's problems on your own. I think that's why we all love stories about helping others so much. Now, there are many good movies to see in the summer. White Bird, a wonder story, is one of them. It tells the story of Sarah Blum, a young Jewish girl in France. It is in the early 1940s, and the Nazis control the country. They hate Jewish people. One day, Nazis come to Sarah's school to take the Jewish children away. The principal tries to hide them, but they are found. Sarah is saved by a classmate, Julien, who cruel children called Crab because of his limp. Although Sarah has only talked to him once, he risks his own life to save hers. He helps her escape from the school. He takes her to his own village, where his parents hide her in their barn. There is much more to the story, so go see the movie. It has a wonderful message of the power of kindness. Wow, what a great story! And thankfully, there aren't too many Nazis running around these days. But the people around you may be having a hard day. So go out and help someone today. Well, that's this month's news. My name is Jack Press, and we'll see you next month for some more News for You.